Oops, test, test, test. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Let me know how we sounding. Oops, test, test, test. All right, we sounding good. We sounding good. What's going on, True Envy? You said you're trading right now. What you trading right now? What you trading right now? Got a couple charts moving right now. We got EU pushing. Same setup we was talking about yesterday, as well as in the Sunday chart analysis. We caught a nice quick gold move. Gold's attempting to push back down as well. Now, again, we do got news today. We got an 8:30 CPI popping off. Then the markets reopen tonight. We got another Australian news event at 6 o'clock p.m. EST. Then at 7:30, we got another Australian news event. So we got a few things popping off today. We're going live with the members during the 8:30 news. We're going to be looking for possible GN sells as well, right? Because again, we have the reversal. We got bearish momentum. We just got this level of traffic to the left of us. But if we can break and hold 14.95 as resistance, we can look for sales going down to 14.25 and as well as possibly down to 13.35. So again, we can see here price has been kind of just consolidating and ranging here since yesterday New York session. So again, we're just waiting for volume to kick in and see if we can break through this level and treat it for support to resistance. So we got a couple sets we're looking at right now. Again, not really going to be looking at GJ because GJ is still kind of ranging. So we're going to see if we can break out of that range of consolidation today, right? Again, it's struggling to hold this level as resistance, but also struggling to break the support level right here. So we're just going to let price do its thing right now as far as GJ is concerned. Like always, y'all, you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We're looking at any charts, drop them in the chat. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month or last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Just dropped the weekly Bitcoin analysis for y'all. If you haven't checked it out or watched it yet, make sure to watch that. Bitcoin just broke all-time highs last week. Things about to get real interesting, y'all. Things about to get real interesting. Y'all in yesterday's live, you could have caught a nice gold or E and sell with us yesterday. Again, we just got a lot of ranging going on right now. We do got a few news events popping off today, though. So again, don't be too surprised. The price is kind of slower ranging. If it's like this for the next couple of hours, it's most likely going to be like this until either pre-New York or until after the news pops off. Going to be going live with the members during today's news event. So members, make sure to be on the lookout for the link I send out today. But yeah, we can see a lot of these charts are just ranging and hugging these levels right now. So we're just simply waiting for volume to kick in. Again, we can see GJ just still ranging and hugging this level. Again, a lot of charts are still kind of ranging right now. We're going to see if this week with the news we can break out of these consolidations. Those I was just watching, we just went through like 4 different charts. They're all kind of in the same conditions where they're struggling to continue or start the new trends, and they're kind of just ranging, hugging these levels. We can see here GJ, right? We're on the daily time frame right now, so we can see with GJ 1, 2, 3, 4 days now. It's just been chilling, hugging this level, and this is a level we can see that prices consolidated, struggle to break past multiple times. Almost each time it's broken and touched this level here, right? So we are still bullish, so we could see possible short-term buys from here to 198.50, but I'd much rather wait for 198.50 to be held as support than to go for touching buys. But this is the highest price went, and it failed to break this resistance level right here and treat it as support. So in order for price to break the previous higher high and make a new higher high, it's going to have to hold this level of support first. So that's why we need to see if price can break that level, then go for buys there. Just from this point, as we can see here, it doesn't necessarily mean that the uptrend and the bullish momentum is going to continue, because even right here, where price has this level of support, it still struggled to break this resistance level. You get what I'm saying? So that's why I'm waiting. I got my alert there to see if price can break and hold that level right there. Now the gold trade me and the members took is still valid, but as we can see here, it's still kind of hugging this level as well. We caught a nice TB7 move, then a nice drop, continuing from the drop we did initially. And we're still looking for sales today as well, right? It could try to do a possible retracement. As long as it can hold 26.34 as resistance, especially we can hold 26.10 as resistance, we can look for continued sales going down to 25.86 and possibly back down to 25.50. All right, y'all. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We'll do any charts, drop them in the chat. We've been absolutely killing it so far this month as well as this quarter. If you go and hit the first link in the description, you check out the Sunday chart analysis, you'll see a lot of charts are already going as projected. And you also see how we did last week. Last week we were 4-0, it was 100% win rate. We also were 4-0 the week before as well. So we haven't lost a single trade at all this month. And then if we go to how we ended last month, October, go to, I think I posted it on November 1st. Yeah, so you go to November 1st, you'll see how we end in October. Again, we only took one loss there October, 15-1, 94% win rate, got a total of 14,935 pips. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of October. All wins and losses are posted. You go to October 4th, you'll see how we ended quarter 3. 43-8 gives an 84% win rate. So again, we've been dominating it this year. But again, right now, we're just simply waiting for volume and our confirmations to be met. That's all we're simply waiting for right now. Because again, we can't really do anything if price is stuck in place, right? If price is stuck in place, we're just going to be twinkling in and out of drawdown and break even. We want to wait for volume to kick in so we can actually have some movement in the markets and actually catch some pips, thus making some money. Make sure to like the live if you haven't liked it already, and make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 2,900 subscribers. We can get to that easily. Got a couple videos lined up for y'all this week as well, so make sure to be on the lookout for that. We're about to see if we can break and hold this level as resistance. New 15 just popped up. Like I said, yo, we got news at 8:30. So if price is dead this next hour, it's most likely going to be like that until the news pops off. All right, y'all. Shout out to everybody in the live. Everybody that's been alive since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal and free Telegram. Yo, we're gonna be back live tomorrow, London session 3 in EST.